Hold on. Oh my god, but it's huge. I can feel it like right here.
I feel it down here. I did!
Becca's third burp of her whole life. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta get my big one. Here we go, here we go. It hurts!
I can't believe I did that. Let me try again.
Okay, keep going.
How did I just did that? Just chug it off.
I'm going.
I think I feel another one.
Yo, what the hell?
I feel it. Your foot is really cold.
There you go. Well,
Did you smell it?
no. I'll tell you what's on your shirt later.